It was July 18th, 2024, and I was in Minneapolis, Minnesota, in Lake Bde Maka Ska. The depth at the end of the fishing pier there was about 30 feet, and it was getting darker down there, pretty mucky, but I just stayed down there, saw a lot of stuff. And in the video, you'll see that there was a bicycle and a scooter. They were pretty heavy and kind of buried in the muck, so I was unable to grab them at the moment. So my plan was to get them with my magnet later on. Did not work out very well, but did get a lot of stuff out of there. Check it out. There's a bite down there too. This lure kind of got me a little bit. That was probably like 30 feet down there. Nice lure. Yeah. Look at that thing. Cool. There's a electronic scooter right below you. I'm gonna try to get that with a magnet too. You got one, eh? Yeah. Nice. Got 3 more rods. Three more. I'm all tangled up in my rope and line. Dang, I never found 5 at once. I'm just tangled in fishing line right now. Just got done diving off this fishing pier. Check what I found. Found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fishing rods just underneath the edge of that fishing pier over there. Found this minnow container here, tin, some cans, some plastic. Found some goggles, some glasses. Check this out. This is probably the coolest find I've ever found. It must move or something, and I think the mouth moves, but it's Baby Yoda. Sweet. Found a couple lures here. Nice musky one right there. And whatever this tray thing is here. I ended up seeing a bicycle down there and also an electric scooter. I couldn't lift them up, they're pretty heavy. So I got the magnets out after and was trying to pull them up, but I could not attach to them, could not find them, could not pull them up. So they're gonna stay down there. Bummer. Ended up finding some neat things with the magnet and even gave my extra magnet to this guy and his son so they could find stuff themselves.